Okay guys, here's my new CF Moto MT or 450MT. You can see I've got the seat off it. What I'm doing, I'm putting some luggage racks on the back. They replace these panels, get replaced on it, and then it hangs down here, and there's a brace across and a couple other bits. And so this exhaust bracket comes off, gets replaced. So yeah, just been through all the bits. Exhaust bracket, there's the racks themselves, some other bits and pieces. There's those plastic panels that come off. And all me nuts and bolts. So stick around, I'll fumble through these instructions and let's see how we go. Yeah, the little pop-out ones, I think. Wow, I don't like that. It's far too hard. Okay, now what? Remove 2 screws, remove 2 bushings, 2 rubber rings and the muffler guard. H. Okay, that's on the other side. One. It's far too hard, I don't like it. Right, muffler guard. I should be just using an Allen bit on the end of my bloody cordless drill to pull these out. It's so much faster. Right, exhaust guards off. What's next? Okay, so I have to replace that. Oopsie. There's everyone. Doing that. Ah, the difference goes the other way. We'll pop these rubber rings out. Right there. There. I think this is cross-threaded. Nope. Not now. Right, done. Next page. There we go. That goes there. Goes on there. So we've got 2 screws, one there, then looks the wrong way, and this gets removed. Then we have to do chain cover. There's 3, there's 1, 2, I don't know where the 3rd is. Oh yeah, 3rd's on the inside there. 1, 2, 3, and then the sucker comes off. There's a footrest. Much bigger. Not that big. That's the one. Okay. What size are we? 6mm. Oh, Jesus. You sure that can't come off? This sucker. I think it goes like that. I probably should be Loctiting these in, but I don't have any. Just had to check on what bolts and stuff I need to use. one. That's two. Right, it's this side done. It feels reasonably solid. Be better when I can brace it across the other side. Now the other side will be the same. And I'm just going to put this sucker back in. I'll just try that now from this side here. Okay, sorry guys, it's getting pretty dark. As in, it is almost dark. So the last piece of this puzzle is that across there like that. Flat washer, spring washer, nut. Flat washer. Yeah, I'm going to have to loosen them off. Here we go, loosening it all off now. I've just done the other side. Right, how is it? Oh great, more tools scattered everywhere. Well, it's definitely not straight. It does have to get around the fuel tank, the exhaust. Thought it might have been a bit straighter than a bit more even. I'll show you guys, see what you guys reckon. It's on the same angle. Anyway, that's it. All I've got to do is put the seat back on. Seat bolts in. There on the pillion bracket, two up here on the chassis, and then braces itself across against the other one. So anyway, thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give me a big thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.